Good morning, this is Mrs. Craig, and this assignment is for the week of April 13th. This week we're going to be talking about adding 3-digit numbers. Now, if you remember last time, I told you that digits is really just another name for numbers. But when they say 3-digit numbers, that means there's a number in the hundreds place, in the tens place, and in the ones place. Okay, that makes them 3 digits. All right, so really it might look a lot harder, but it really isn't. It's just a matter of adding, it's like adding 6 plus 0, adding 3 plus 6, adding 2 plus 2. Those are things that I know you know how to do. Okay, so, and remember, when we add 3-digit numbers, we always, well, not just 3-digit numbers, any numbers, we always start on the right, okay, which is where the ones place is. We always start with the ones, then we go to the tens, then we go to the hundreds, okay? All right. So 6 plus 0, well, anything plus 0 is just that number, so 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 6, now, if you remember last time I said find the biggest number and then add up. So the 6 is bigger, so I'm going to go 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have 2 plus 2. Well, they're the same, so I'm just going to go 2, 3, 4. So the answer to this problem is 496. Okay. Now I picked another problem on your page, on the first page, and that problem was 501 plus 799. Now again, we're going to start in the ones place all the way on the right. And if you notice, I kept my answers so that they were lined up right with the numbers above them. And that's so important to do because sometimes if we don't keep them straight, then we get our answer all wrong. And that gets even harder the more math we learn, okay? Might not seem like a big deal now, but trust me, we are going to learn harder stuff as the older you get, and if you don't have things lined up, a lot of times you'll get the wrong answer. Okay, so 501 plus 799. Well, we know 9 plus 1 is 10. So in this case, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place, and then I drew a line, and we're going to carry that 1 up there. Well, 9 plus 0 is just 9. But one more makes it 10. So I'm going to put a 0 down again, and I'm going to carry that 1. 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, plus 1 is 13. So we got a really big number there. And see, this is the thousands place. So after the thousands place, we have to put a little comma. So 501 plus 799 is 1,300, okay? Now, let's see, we'll look at the next problem. This time we have 984 plus 534, okay? So we're going to start in the ones place right here. So 4 plus 4, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to go to the next place, 8 plus 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. So we put a 1 down here, and then we're going to carry a 1. Okay? So we have 9 plus 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, plus the 1 is 15. So again, we have a number in the thousands place, and after the thousands place we need to have a comma. So our answer is 1,518. Okay, and the last problem we're going to do together is 379 plus 635. Now I'm going to start here. Oh, wait a minute, I don't want to start here, that's on the wrong side. I have to start all the way over here because I always start in the ones place. and this is the hundreds place. So 9 plus 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the 4 goes here, and the 1's going up there. Okay, 7 plus 3. 7, 8, 9, 10, plus the 1 is 11. Okay, so I put the 1 here, and the 1 in the tens place goes here. Okay, now I have 6 plus 3, because remember I'm starting with the bigger number. 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 1 is 10. So I put down my 10, which gives me a number in the thousands place. I'm going to put a comma behind the 1 in the thousands place, and my answer is 1014. Okay, now you don't need to write these little lines like I do. I just put it there so that you can see that I'm putting something on top. That's your choice if you want to do that. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to. Sometimes people miss adding what they carried, and so that's why I do that. Okay. All right, well, that's what you're going to practice all week on your addition papers. So please let me know if you're having any trouble. I'd be glad to help you. I know this is kind of different because we haven't worked together yet, but anyway, I understand you're very good at math, so I think you'll do very well. All right, until next week, I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.